Spent some time with the grinder to cover up my crap welds, and it's looking all right. I mean, I've built things I'm more proud of, but compared to my first attempt, this is pretty good. All right, so there you have it. I should show you the final product. There's a little bit of backstory in this project that I didn't show you because it's a mess and it's maybe not that entertaining, but there it is installed. Need to put a spacer in. But you know, it's not that interesting to look underneath a car on video. So there it is. It's mostly positioned. I'm gonna have to probably put like a 1-inch spacer block in there to lift it up, and that'll be a different video. So here's the deal. So what you didn't see in the video was I first made this, which is a piece of this thing is junk. I mean, it's like all asymmetrical, and I could kind of tell that it was asymmetrical as I was building it, but I was like, you know, I'll make it work. And I actually tacked it in place under the car so it was functional. But my weld sucked, and yeah, it's just a real mess. So I ended up going with the CNC route. So I went through that whole process, but what you see now is what's installed in the car, and I think that's going to be fine. I might go back over some of the welds with the TIG welder because that's a new acquisition. This Everlast Power TIG 185. It does AC and DC TIG. And I actually also did some work on my welding cart during this project to make my welding cart more functional. So all said and done, there's a whole lot more that happened to make that trans cross member, but what you see is this shorter video here, which I think is more relevant to you. So I'm David Hill, Solve Fix Build. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, put a comment down below, whatever you want to do to participate in these videos. But I appreciate you watching, and have a great day.